Today we will start the first chapter of political science, that is power sharing. Before we start the chapter, let us discuss some important terms which will be beneficial for you all to understand the chapter in a better way. Let's first discuss what actually a government is. Government are the group of people who rule or control a country. And how they will control a country? Obviously by making different rules and regulation according to the needs and requirement of the citizen of that particular country. Just like our country, India. There are two methods of running a government. The first one is monarchy. In monarchy, the power is concentrated in the hands of a leader or a king. Just like we have read in the French and Russian Revolution in our history class, how a king ruled a country. The other one is democracy. In democracy, the power is divided into different levels, just like legislature. Legislature are an organ body which make laws. That is the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha in our country. Next is the executive. Executive are an organ body which enforce the rules and regulation which are made by the legislature. That is the Prime Minister, President, Chief Minister, Governor. And the last one is judiciary. Judiciary are an organ body which applies the rules and regulation to the specific cases, just like the Supreme Court, High Court, Subordinate Court, and so on. Now, before you understand why is power sharing so important, let us learn what is power sharing. Power sharing means the distribution of power among the organs of the government such as legislature, executive and judiciary. Just now I have explained you what are these terms, and they are very important from our you can say educational point of view. Power sharing can also be shared between different levels, just like union government, state government and local government. Why these power are shared? These power are shared so that all, or you can say the rules and regulation which are made by the government can implement in the different parts of our country, and all the citizens can be beneficial from these rules and regulation. Okay, these rules and regulation are very important in our life. Okay, and if these rules and regulation are not in our life, then a person cannot live peacefully in a country. So this is the main reason why the power sharing is very important.